Thanks for helping. As you can tell, I have, well, that's one of 3 retarded mutts. They like to follow me everywhere and help me with just about everything I do. That's what they figure anyway. Anyways, today's video, we're going to show you a little bit about fixing up pig shelter. Try to deal with some of the fencing that they're literally eating right now. Then we're going to have a look at some of the aftermath from a pretty significant windstorm we had last night and this morning. So we're in the pole barn here, out of the wind. So anyways, stay tuned and we'll bring you along. We got some snow last night, but our entire place is just a sheet of ice right down to the house. So these things are the only reason I'm standing upright. See if we can slip and slide on the quad. I was gonna be fat and lazy and just ride this thing around, but I guess I'll walk. Yeah, there's your squirrel friend. Are we being invaded? Good job. I do plan on using the quad in a few minutes and not that. You guys are a pain in the butt. That's money. Are you helping? Good boy. eat my screws. Hey! Don't eat my screws. Get out of here. Hey! What did I tell you? You guys are hard on stuff, you know? Look out. Hey, play nice. See if I can't find the gate that the pigs ripped off in the fall before everything snowed and I didn't pick it up and it got buried. Does anybody else have heartburn now? I got heartburn. So, lovely weather we're having. Windstorm this morning. Dogs don't seem to mind. But my nice $400 brand new horse shelter, or car shelter, is now scrapped. My chicken tractors are now dilapidated. Frozen hoses and a bunch of branches to clean up. go check out the nice $400 horse car shelter, which is still new enough that I have the box sitting here from putting it together, and it's in a lot more pieces than I left it. Tore up. So nice. Got poles. Chuck, you don't look too impressed. Well, thanks for hanging out. Hopefully we got some better weather coming here shortly and we can get on to some more exciting projects. Get the sawmill going and pick up some of our logs, and we can get started on the barn build, which is going to be good. So anyways, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for hanging out.